We'll now start with the Yang style short form. The feet must be shoulder width apart and parallel. Relax the legs, sink the chest, and raise the arms so that the wrist is level with the top of the shoulder and the hand is relaxed. Put the tongue against the roof of the mouth. I'll show you from the side. So, don't stand upright, relax. Then we straighten the hand and drop the elbow so that the hand comes back, keeping the same height. Then bring the hands down to where you started. What we don't want is this. The hands must not flex, the wrist must be relaxed. So we drop the elbow so that the arm stays in front of the chest, otherwise you're going to get this. And back to where we started. So watch once more. Arms in front of the body. By sinking the chest, it will keep the arms in front of the body. From here, hands come back. Go down as far as they can, and then you follow them by sinking into your left foot. I'll show you from the side. So, you must release this hip joint and this shoulder joint. So we sink slightly into a semi-crouch. From here, we're going to turn to the right corner. So the left hand will come below the navel on the center line, and it just cups and forms a half circle. Again, the arm is still. The right hand just comes up, slightly curves, and again to the top of the height is to the top of the shoulder, not up here. And the hands are on the center line of the body. I'll do it from the side. We release this hip joint. So as I turn, the foot moves because it's attached to my hip. It's not necessary to do this. It will turn as you turn. Once the weight is taken out of it, it will just turn when your hips turn. When you turn in your body, a common mistake is this. To look where your intention is to go. Your head must be still. It turns with your body. Also, the eyes must be relaxed so that you gaze at the floor a few meters in front of you, not up. Everything must go down. The other thing is, when the arm comes up, the shoulder is pressed, or the arm is pressed into the shoulder. If we lift this hand above the shoulder, the joint is going to open out. It will disengage from the center.